VOW, October 5th, at the Ice Mines in Connellsville, PA. They want to put Generation Dead in a Clockwork Orange match against Chess Flexor and G Raver. Weapons, no DQ, anything goes. They're giving us the ability to cause as much punishment as we deem necessary for victory. G Raver, you say you're in your element. If being double stomped through a table is your element, then I will gladly put you there any day of the week. And Chess Flexor, do you really want to get yourself in our business? The last time you tried to be the hero, tried to save your tag team partner, and you nearly got yourself hung. October 5th will be no different. With every new generation is a fresh batch of savages. Generation Dead are more than savages. And there's nothing that will stand in our way.